From morning sunrise to evening sunset, every part of our life is dependent on the nature. We depend for our health, happiness, and prosperity. The bond between the human and the nature are